In this video, let's see about 6 easy to grow herbs for your kitchen window sill. Anyone can grow these easily. Kindly consider subscribing and hit the bell icon. Herb number 1. Basil. Start basil from seeds and place the pots in a south-facing window. It likes lots of sun and warmth plus ample water. So keep the soil moist but not drenched. Pinch the tops of the plant frequently to encourage fuller growth. 2. Bay. Bay laurel is a perennial that actually does best using the container gardening method. Place the pot in an east or west facing window as it prefers full to partial sun. Thin the plant if it starts to get crowded. Bay needs air circulation to remain healthy. 3. Chervil. Chervil is a delicate annual and a favorite flavor in French cuisine. Hence its nickname, French parsley. Start chervil seeds in spring or late summer. It prefers part light but needs temperatures between 65 degrees and 70 degrees to thrive. Like basil, chervil will grow fuller if you pinch the tops occasionally. 4. Chives. This onion-y herb does quite nicely in a container with full sun. If you have one already in your garden, you can move it inside at the end of the growing season. Dig up a clump from your herb bed and replant it in a pot. Leave the pot outside until the leaves die back. In early winter, move the pot to your coolest indoor spot, like your basement, for a few days. Then place it in your brightest window. 5. Oregano. Like other ground cover plants, this Mediterranean herb grows low and tends to spread. Your best bet is to start with a tip that has been cut from an outdoor oregano plant. Once you've then planted that tip in a pot, place it in a south-facing window. 6. Parsley. Skip the wilted bunches at the grocery store and grow your own parsley at home instead. Start it from seeds or dig up a clump from your garden at the end of the season. Parsley likes full sun, but will grow slowly in an east or west facing window.